How do you solder copper pipes without burning surfaces? Imagine you're working on a plumbing project and want a perfect solder joint without damaging nearby surfaces. It might seem tricky, but with the right steps, you can do it safely and effectively. First, always start by cleaning the pipe and fitting thoroughly. Use a wire brush or fine sandpaper to remove any oxidation or dirt from the outside of the pipe and the inside of the fitting. Clean surfaces help the solder flow smoothly and create a strong seal. Next, apply a thin, even coat of flux around the joint area. Flux helps prevent oxidation during heating and makes soldering easier. When you're ready to heat, use a propane torch with a controlled, steady flame. Keep the flame size moderate. Too big and it might overheat nearby surfaces. Focus the heat on the fitting rather than the pipe itself because the fitting heats up faster and helps draw the solder into the joint. Move the flame around the joint continuously to distribute heat evenly and avoid hot spots. To prevent burning surfaces like wood or drywall, place a heat shield or a piece of fire-resistant material behind or beneath the area you're working on. You can also use wet rags or heat-resistant pads to shield surfaces from heat. When heating, test the joint by touching a small piece of solder to it. If the solder melts immediately, the joint is hot enough. Be cautious not to overheat, as that can cause damage or melting of nearby materials. For vertical pipes, heat from the bottom of the fitting to control the flow of solder and prevent drips. Once the solder has flowed into the joint, turn off the torch and let the joint cool naturally. Do not disturb it while cooling to ensure a solid connection. After cooling, clean off any residual flux with a damp cloth to prevent corrosion. Following these steps will give you a strong, leak-proof solder joint while keeping your surfaces safe from heat damage. Remember, patience and careful control of heat are your best tools for successful copper pipe soldering.